Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by getting network access and launching YouTube. This lets the TV stream content smoothly. First, connect Aiwa to Wi-Fi or plug Ethernet. A wired link reduces buffering. Then use the remote to press Apps or Smart Hub and open YouTube. If you don't see it, search the App Store and install. Once done, sign in with your Google account to access subscriptions and recommendations. If you prefer, continue as guest for quick playback without syncing device history. Now focus on finding and playing videos efficiently. This is where control matters. Use the remote's directional keys or voice search to enter keywords. Apply filters for uploads or duration to narrow results. Choose a video, then open settings to pick resolution. Auto keeps playback steady. Choose 720p or 1080p if your connection supports it. To manage playlists, cast from your phone or pair it via YouTube's pairing code. This makes queuing and skipping faster and more accurate when watching long sessions. To finish, optimize viewing and resolve common issues so playback stays reliable. Tweak display and sound settings to match your room, HDR or standard, stereo or surround. Periodically update the YouTube app and Aiwa firmware. Clearing the app cache can fix freezes. If a video won't play, reboot the TV and modem, then test bandwidth with another app. If problems persist, switch to lower resolution or reinstall the app. One key tip: always try a full reboot before deep troubleshooting. It often restores streaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.